Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please kindly subscribe. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to install an LED strip into your headlight as a daylight running light or a turning sequential light. I got this LED on Amazon. This comes with 3 wires, and the wiring goes as the black one will be connected to the low beam ground wire, the red one will be connected to the positive of the high beam, and the yellow one will be connected to your turning signal. Here you have your high beam light, your low beam light, and your turning signal. I'll be connecting the LED to my high beam light and as well as my turning signal. So first thing to start with before our installation is to check the LED if it's actually working, and at the same time check the stroke pattern of the turning signal. I'm going to be connecting the black wire of the LED to the negative side of my battery and the red wire to the positive side of my battery, and you can see the LED comes up. So the next thing I want to do is to connect the yellow wire of the LED to the positive of my battery and check the stroke direction of the turning signal. I don't want to install this and then later find out like it's stroking inward, so it's better for you to check this way so that you know how to fix your LED. When that is done, make sure you clean the area well. You want to fix the LED, and again at this point you want to determine how you want to fix the LED. I don't have much room at the top, but at the bottom I have a good room to accommodate the entire LED because I don't want to cut anything. But to do that, I need to remove this bumper a little bit so I can take the headlight out and fix it. Now for the connection of the wire, this is pretty simple. Just connect the red wire from the LED into the high beam light, and the yellow wire into your turn signal, and the black wire into the ground of your low beam. And once that is done, you can see this is how it's going to come out. I also test the turning signal. This is where I told you make sure the stroke is coming outward, not inward. So all I have to do right now is to throw this headlight back into the car, fix the bumper right, and once that is done, I'm gonna move to the driver's side, remove the headlight, and install my LED strip in it as well. Now I've completed the installation of both LED strip on the headlights. You can see how beautiful this is looking. Even in the daytime, you can still see the daylight running LED. Tell me what you think about the installation in the comment below. Does it really worth it? But for me, this is looking so good. I love it. This is daytime and you can still see it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up.